Hello Internet, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Tori and today I have an update for the Colourpan Project Pan. This is a fantastic ladies collab that was created by Misty. As always, Misty will be listed down below as well as everyone else participating in this project. This is a project pan solely focused on items, using your items from Colourpop. So let's jump into it because this update is a lot later than I would have liked it to be. But you know, that's life. So we have 2 items rolling out. So the first item that hit its goal was the Labelle of the Ball eyeshadow palette from the Animal Crossing collaboration. My goal was to use it 5 times. That goal was completed on February 17th. I loved using this. Like I hope I said in the beginning, this is my favorite quad from the 4 that they came out with. Even though the pressed glitter is a little annoying, not fully my speed all the time, I still really love it. And they're also, I love the Able sisters. And the other item rolling out is the Sailor Moon eyeliner in Azabu Juban. Its goal was to be used 10 times. I hit that goal on March. What number is that? Because that's not a 10. That would not be possible. I want to say it's a 6. I don't know why I wrote it like that. That is so weird. So we're going to say this was used on March 6th. I hit this goal on March 6th. I had fun using it. I used it on my upper lash line and sometimes my waterline as a pop of color. I really liked how these two played together. Love that. So let's talk about what is remaining before I talk about what I'm pulling in. So first up, we have the Colourpop second Sailor Moon collab, the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon collab. This is the Moonlight highlighter. My goal with this is to use it 20 times. Since the introduction of this project, it was used 8. So it has 12 uses remaining. I think I definitely could hit that by the next update, which will be very exciting. It will hopefully also be, that update will probably be in like 2 weeks, right? Hold on, I have to do math. My schedule is going to be thrown out and some updates are going to be a little shorter, but you know, that's life. When stuff gets messed up, I want to keep rolling with it. Actually, no. This will be my first update. I will not update this project again till April. So you will not get back-to-back updates. Which sucks, but it happens. It is what it is. Oh! The next item is from the High School Musical collab, the Wildcat blush. I've almost completely got rid of the Wildcat logo. My goal is to also use this 20 times. It was used 7, so there's 13 uses remaining. I have been loving these 2 paired together. I was gonna wear them today, but I needed to like actually give some other blushes love because every time I have been wearing makeup recently and just using solely Project Pan stuff, I have been reaching for that. And last but not least, before the new items, is my Super Shock in the shade Dream Lover. My goal is to hit pan. I've used it 5 times since the intro. I feel like when I hit pan on it, it's gonna be a big pan, not particularly on purpose. It's just, this is very flaky. This is not, it's past its prime, kind of. It still works, it's still nice, but like, it is flaky. So I feel like when I do hit pan, it's gonna be a bigger pan simply because the formula has changed. So the new items, you will see once again I did pick a palette and eyeliner that match each other. So the palette is this Quint in the name Harmony This is from like that butterfly collection. I've used all these shades once before. My goal once again will just be to reach for this palette 5 times. Yeah, I haven't used the quints too much because I got these when I was kind of getting overstimulated with makeup, so I did not use it that much. And in similar vein, this I also got during that time. This was from the NYX basketball collab. This is the shade Street Ball. So it's like a nice, pretty orange. I'm gonna have so much fun using this. I love wearing orange makeup because it makes my eyes pop. And plus, orange is still considered neutral. So at either of my jobs, they never say anything. That will have a goal of 10 uses. I probably could get it done before April 18th. We will see. I'm not gonna try to like speed run these goals, but if they happen, they happen. However, I really would like to get both of these goals done, or at least one of them, because I do need to rotate my blushes really badly. My highlighters from Colourpop, like because I have a decent amount, but not like too much where it's okay if this takes a little longer. But I definitely need to focus on getting Wildcat out. So I'm happy with the new items rolling in. I'm happy to get to play with these. But yeah, that has been a very late first update to the Colourpan Project Pan. Let me know what you think down below. And I hope you have an amazing day or night whenever you're watching this. Peace out, Girl Scout.